And welcome back. So we did have mainly clear skies across the region today. Lots of sunshine, but the sun really didn't warm us up. We had that direct flow from the Arctic once again, that northerly wind really keeping temperatures down. High temperatures today only did reach the upper 30s, and we have since fallen over the past couple of hours, now around 28 degrees in North Platte. Winds north around 8 miles per hour, continuing to pump in that cool air, dew point at 13. So really dry air over us also. Here's a look at our temperatures across the region. 23 right now at Broken Bow, mid-20s at Ogallala, Imperial, and Lexington, near 20 at Thedford, but Valentine continues to be the cool spot at 16 degrees, your current temperatures. There's the wind, mainly from a northerly direction. Some of us have that northwesterly flow, so dry and cool across the region. Good news is wind's really not that bad, around 5 to 15 miles per hour. Now, here's a look at the Doppler radar. We are seeing some cloud cover south of Lexington, but that is basically it. Everybody has mainly clear skies across the region once again, as we do stay mainly dry. A couple areas of high pressure in charge of our forecast. This one is exiting, gave us the really cool air, but there's barely a warm sector with this one that's going to be over us tomorrow, because right after that we have another high pressure system that's riding a jet stream just off to our south. It's going to give us a stronger northerly flow and really cool us off as we begin next week. So the lows are really tracking far south into Texas, and then they're going to ride back up the east coast there. So we're just going to stay dry and cool as we go through the near future. Temperatures falling quickly through the 20s into the teens as we make our way through the evening, and into the upper single digits for some of us as we go through the overnight, still with mainly clear skies. Little bit of a southerly wind tomorrow. That's that brief warm sector. It's not going to last very long and not really going to do very much, because we got sunshine, high temperatures mainly into the lower 40s as we go through your Saturday. And then for Sunday, that disturbance makes its way through and we go right back to another really cool high pressure working its way in. So we start off into the mid-teens and high temperatures only into the low to mid-40s once again. We'll get back to a good amount of sunshine as we go through the day on Sunday also. So here's what it looks like on the wide maps. There's one high working its way away from us. There's that trough that gives us the clouds on Sunday morning, but there's another high pressure system. This one's another cool one, giving us that strong northerly wind, and we're not done with this cold air yet, because another low is going to track off to our north. There's a cold front that's going to push in even more cooler air as another high pressure works its way in. So we're going to keep more of the same as we finish out the weekend and start next week. That northerly flow really will not let up, but we are staying dry. So here's what it looks like across the region as we go through the weekend. Any of the moisture really into the northeast. We do have some snow showers up in that direction, some rain showers. The cool air getting into the southern states could have some rain up in that direction. The last of the rain from the tropical moisture leaving New England also, but for us, lots of sunshine, dry conditions up and down the west coast, and the only part of the country that's going to be warm is going to be Florida, as this is a pretty big cool system that's going to be over us. So 42-year high for Saturday and Sunday. Mostly sunny to start the weekend, partly cloudy skies later, but mid to upper 30s for Monday and Tuesday with partly to mostly cloudy skies. The wind picks up just a little, back to near 40 Wednesday and Thursday. Still mostly sunny to partly cloudy. Another cool air mass is going to be over us Friday, so highs only near 30 with partly cloudy skies, but still staying mainly dry. Kent?
So it's not a big warm-up, but at least we see a little bit of that over the weekend.
Yeah, some low to mid-40s. Still pretty cool for this time of year, though.
All right, thanks so much, Justin. And coming up, the Husker volleyball team takes on Iowa tonight. John Allen has a preview of the action at the Devaney Center. Sports is next on News 2.
This week